Right, next thing that we will do is to damage our player. With enemy, since we already have the player help system, or walking up, it will be easier cause we also have the ability for our enemy to detect our player. So if we go in the enemy controller script, so let's find scripts, enemy controller, and here we are checking for the enemies, and in fact, when we were saying enemy here, we mean our player, because enemy of our monster is obviously our player. So yeah, when we are saying enemy, in fact, it's the player, okay? And for each loop, what we can do, we can get reference to our player help script, because we want to call this function. Now to do that, we can say play your health, which is script name, and let's call it something. Let's call it play your health, but this time with lowercase first letter. And it will be equal, and we should get components from our player. So we will say enemy since enemy is our player. In this case, dots get components. And component that we want is our player help script. So what we are doing, we are getting information about player health script, and we are storing that information into this player health container. After that, we should check if player exists in the world at all. So we can say if player health is not now new, something should happen, right? What should happen? We should basically call deal damage function from the player help script. So we can simply say player health don't deal damage. And that's pretty much it, how we can handle this mechanic. Now we should take this attack point and position it a little bit better, because right now it's in the middle of the enemy. And if we leave it like this, our player will get too much damage. So instead, what we will do, sees our enemy. He sees our monster is swinging his right hand. This hand, we will attach this attack point to the right hand. It's like you can imagine that our monster has gone, and we should attach the gun to the right hand. And we will do same, but for that we should find where is the right hand. So if we open this dragon, it has this powwow. So let's open this one, and well, it has this pine. So we will open this pine one. It has this pine 2, we will open spine 2. There's pine 3, then ribs, then right arm. Then we will open this right arm one. And right arm to, and I believe it's here, yeah. It's called right arm palm. We will basically drag our attack point into this arm. Palm right here. And let's now position it at the hand of a monster so we can rotate our camera. Let's position little bit forward and down. And I think it will be all right to position here. So as I said, imagine that we are just attaching gun to the monster to the hand, and that's pretty much it. Now let's select the player. Let's select the player. And let's take health to be max health to be 1000. For example, not to immediately die. And now I will take this game wheel. I will drop it here just for a moment. And I will just simply hit play. And I won't do anything. I will just check if the enemy's damaging us. So right now we have 1000 health, and yeah, indeed our enemy's damaging us, and it's quite nice. He's slowly decreasing our health. So we can obviously go back, and he's still damaging gas. So we can also kill it. Okay, everything is working. We can take this game wheel and drop it back. And we can save the sea. I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next videos.